How to download Deepseek AI app on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Deepseek AI app on your device. Without further ado, let's learn how to download this emerging AI app. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom. Then tap on the search bar. Type in Deepseek AI and search for it. Select the first search result for Deepseek AI. Tap on the install button. The Deepseek AI app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can now use the Deepseek AI app on your mobile device. Simply tap open, give all the necessary permissions, then log into your account if you have one, or sign up for a new account. After that, you will be all set to start using the Deepseek AI app. And boom! You have successfully learned how to download and install Deepseek AI app on a mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.